Welcome to Find Home Remedies. How to fall asleep faster with this amazing drink. Are you struggling to fall asleep at night? Give this amazing drink a try, and fall asleep peacefully in no time. Introducing Golden Milk. Golden Milk is a warm and comforting drink made with milk and turmeric, that is known for its many health benefits. This miracle spice turmeric has been used for centuries for its calming and soothing properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that can help reduce inflammation and promote relaxation. In addition to that, it also boosts the production of the sleep hormone melatonin. By regulating the body's natural sleep cycle, turmeric can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restful sleep. An easy golden milk recipe. Making golden milk is incredibly easy, and only takes a few minutes. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients for golden milk. 1 cup of milk, or plant-based milk. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. A pinch of black pepper. How to make golden milk. Heat the milk in a small pot over medium heat. Add the turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, honey, and black pepper. Whisk all the ingredients together until well combined. Simmer the mixture for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour the golden milk into a glass, and enjoy. Sip on a cup of golden milk before bedtime, and let the soothing properties of turmeric help you fall asleep faster. Do you want to see all the amazing health benefits of drinking golden milk? Great! I've included them in the video description for you to enjoy. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button below. Until next time, sweet dreams. Thanks for watching.